This is me getting on stage about to give a 30-minute speech about my dog to 500 people from memory. I was asked to give the keynote speech to the Humane Society's annual Take Action for Animals conference in DC. So I got on a plane the day before by myself, even though I usually travel with my husband, who's sort of my hype man for these things. I have terrible stage fright, like once during a musical in Damn Yankees, no sound came out of my mouth. Another time at a recital, I started laughing in the middle of a song. My parents were mortified. So needless to say, I was petrified about the speech, not just anyone, but one of the most important animal advocacy groups in the world. Like the CEO was there was a woman from the Obama administration who was going to be speaking before me, and 500 freaking people. So as soon as I got to the hotel, I got into bed, woke up early, ate breakfast, and got ready. Practiced a little in my room, then went downstairs to go through dress rehearsal on stage, where I got to see just how massive the room was. I then did a short call with my hype man and hype girl before heading back downstairs to the humongous ballroom, which was now filled with 500 humans. The food looked so good, but not gonna lie, I was so nervous I really couldn't eat much. The three women who talked before me made me feel like I was literally the most underqualified person ever to speak, but before I knew it, I was being introduced and it was time to get up on stage and give my speech. I got up on stage and instantly regretted wearing shorts because I assumed everyone could now see how badly my knees were shaking. For a second, I forgot my entire speech and I thought it was going to be Damn Yankees all over again until they carted me off stage. But then I gave my speech, didn't make a single mistake, and in the end, this happened, which almost made me cry. And that is the story of how the girl with crippling stage fright ended up getting a standing ovation for a 30-minute speech about her dog.